Let us make lumpiang turon, Philippine delicious dessert. And how do you make them? It's here in this delicious cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her loving daughter Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. This delightful cookbook that contains my beloved mom's secret recipes are now at Amazon, Ex Libris, in ebook and paperback format. Enjoy this book. It is lovingly, deliciously dedicated to you all. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her daughter who loves her, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Let us enjoy lumpiang turon, delicious Philippine dessert. Yummy and sweet, like Mom and Dad and all of you. Happy cooking and happy dining.